How to tag everyone on WhatsApp group. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be showing you how to tag everyone on WhatsApp group chat. It's super simple and a great way to get everyone's attention at once. So first of all, open up the group chat where you want to tag everyone after you've successfully launched your WhatsApp and logged in. For example, this group right here. So in the text box, you're going to type in @ and here all the members will appear, and also an everyone option will appear if that feature is available in the group if the group admin has not restricted it. So you might also need the latest version of WhatsApp to use this feature, so make sure your app is updated. And if you find that feature, the option of everyone, you're gonna go ahead and tap on everyone and it will turn into blue, which means everyone has been tagged and everyone should be available and everyone should be notified when they have been tagged. And that is it. Now you have tagged everyone in the group. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and catch you next time.